Alright, this video today is going to talk about when we're dividing a decimal number and we get to the end where we've got a remainder of sorts, so we have to add that 0 to the right of the decimal number, which, remember, doesn't change the value of the number, it just changes the way we say it. So we've got our decimal on the inside, which means that I need to go ahead and bring that decimal number or decimal straight up, draw my decimal in, and now I'm ready to just go ahead and start dividing. 5 will not go into 1, or we cannot make groups of 5 with only 1. However, if there are 14, we can make 2 groups out of 14 if they're in 5, because 5 times 2 is 10. So I'll subtract that away and I'm left with a difference of 4. I bring down my 1. Groups of 5 can be made out of 41, or 5 times what will get me close, and the answer is 8. I subtract away those 40 and I'm left with 1 over. I now bring down my 2 just like I would on any old regular problem. Now, if there are 12 and I need them in groups of 5, I can evenly do that 2 times and subtract away the 10 that I have taken away, because 5 times 2 gave me my 10. Now, this is where we add that 0, and I'm going to move my paper up just a little bit so that you guys can see this. This is where we add that 0. So adding the 0 to the end of my decimal number over here will not change the value of the number I'm trying to subtract. Remember, with decimals, the further to the right we go, the smaller the numbers get. So we don't need a remainder. So I'll bring down my 0, and now I need groups of 5, and I have 20, so I can evenly make 4 groups out of those 20. So my quotient is 28 and 24 hundredths. So again, watch this video as many times as you need in order to be able to see where and when you might need to add a 0 to the end of your dividend. And if you have questions, as always, please make sure to ask me in class.